What's going on, boaters? We're on a 2027 Barletta Lusso 25 QCSS. This boat just arrived here in Crosslake. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your two bow couches with armrests, lots of in-seat storage. You have your RGB lighting throughout the whole boat, in-seat cup holders, JBL audio. Coming to the midship, you have your co-captain and captain's chair. At the dash, you have your two touchscreen displays, one showing your gauges, the other one where you can control all your lighting. It does have a power operated bimini, so easy to put out, put under when you're going under the bridges. In the back, you have your two couches as well with the armrests. And with this being an SS, that means your sports stern, so you have lots of space back here. You get your lily pad ghost mount, so if you wanted to add a diving board, you could. You have your anchor storage back here, your audio control and speakers, your fender baskets, your tow bar, and it is powered by the new Mercury 425 V10. Lots of power and get up and go. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the pontoon yet this summer.